I wish to apologize for my absence in the morning, in the early afternoon, because I'm coming from my constituency. I had a forum. Mr. Speaker, if you look at the way I'm dressed, covered my head, because I had a forum with the women of Mothers Union.
The Speaker has no knowledge of knowing how you dress when you go to
functions. Mr. Speaker, I am dressed like the Mothers Union because I had joined them for a very, very special meeting for the Mothers Union of the ACK Church in my constituency. And being one of them, I had to attend and I had to fellowship with them. My apologies for lateness, but I am here, Mr. Speaker, to lay the following paper on the table of the House today, 13th November 2024. A report of the Constitution Implementation Oversight Committee on participation in the Parliamentary Intelligence Security Forum in Washington, D.C., United States of America, from 7th to 8th December 2023. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and once again, my sincere apologies.
Thank you, Honorable Wamuchomba. Oku Kaunya, is Meli in the house? Honorable Meli. Honorable Meli, Oku Kaunya has an issue on a statement that he says he requested to you and your committee. Go ahead, Honorable Kaunya.